Hello, my friends, and welcome back to EasySpeak English podcast. My name is John, and I'm truly happy that you are here with me today. We are in the opening week of the year 2026. This time may feel quiet. It may feel simple, but it is also very powerful. A new year is not only about excitement or energy, a new year is about clarity. Yeah, clarity means seeing things as they are, without pressure, without confusion, and without lying to ourselves. Many people begin a new year feeling heavy inside. They feel pushed. They feel rushed. They feel like they must change everything immediately. They say things like, "This year, I must do everything right. This year, I will never fail. This year, I will finally become perfect." These are called New Year resolutions. At the beginning, these promises feel exciting, they feel strong, they feel hopeful, but after a few weeks, something changes. People feel tired, they feel disappointed, they feel sad, because real life does not match those big promises. So today, we will not start like that. Today, we begin differently. We begin slowly. We begin honestly. We begin with reality, not fantasy. Let me ask you a very simple question. Why are you learning English? You don't need a perfect answer. You don't need a smart answer. You only need a true answer. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to travel freely. Maybe you want to speak without fear. Maybe you want to feel calm and confident when you use English. All of these reasons are good. There is no wrong reason. But today, I want to share something important with you. Motivation is helpful, but motivation is not enough. Motivation is a feeling, and feelings change. Some days, motivation is strong. Some days, it disappears completely. What really stays is something deeper. That thing is commitment. Commitment is a quiet decision. It is a promise you keep, even on difficult days. This year, we are not chasing motivation. We are building commitment. English is not a race. We are not competing with anyone. We are not trying to be faster than others. English is a relationship, and every relationship needs time. It needs patience. It needs attention. Think about a child learning to speak. The child listens for many months before speaking clearly. No one says, "You are too slow. You failed." Learning English as an adult works the same way. This year, you are not trying to be perfect. You are trying to be present. You are here. You are listening. That already matters. You did not fail last year. You practiced. Some days you practiced more. Some days you practiced less. That is life. Life is not clean. Life is not straight. life is messy. So, this year, we will focus on systems, not goals. A goal is something you want in the future. A system is what you do every day. If your system is good, the results will come naturally. Your system does not need to be difficult. It should be simple. It should be easy to repeat. Yeah, you listen to English often. You speak a little every day. You repeat. And most importantly, you continue. That is enough. Many learners believe fluency means speaking fast. But fast does not mean fluent. Fluent means smooth, clear, comfortable. Slow English can be strong English. This year, your English will grow like a tree. A tree grows quietly. You do not hear it growing, but one day it is tall. Some days you will feel like nothing is changing. That feeling is normal. That feeling is human. Language progress is often invisible. Your brain is changing, even when you cannot see it. Every time you listen, your brain adjusts. New connections are forming. New patterns are becoming familiar. So today, make one small promise, not a big promise. Promise to show up. Promise to listen. Promise to be patient. Promise to wait without anger. You do not need talent. You do not need special skills. You only need time and repetition. Now let's talk about discipline. When people hear the word discipline, they often feel uncomfortable. They imagine strict rules. They imagine punishment. They imagine pressure. But that is not the discipline we want. The discipline we want is gentle. It is soft. It is kind. Discipline simply means doing what matters, even when you don't feel excited. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't do it because you love it. You do it because it is part of who you are. This is called identity. This year, you are building the identity of an English learner, not someone who studies English sometimes, but someone who lives with English. Don't worry, we will start small. Discipline does not begin with big actions. It begins with tiny ones. If you say, I will study English for 2 hours every day, your brain feels scared. But if you say, I will listen for 10 minutes, your brain feels safe. And here is the secret. Once you start, you often continue. Starting is the hardest part. So this year, discipline is not about time. It is about starting. Even 5 minutes matters. Consistency beats intensity. 10 minutes every day for 1 year is powerful. Now let's talk about routine. A routine removes thinking. When you don't think, you don't need motivation. Connect English to something you already do. Drink tea. Listen to English. Walking. Listen to English. This is called habit. Stacking. It makes learning easy and sustainable. Bad days will come. On bad days, do less, but do something. One sentence is enough. Do not break the chain. If you miss one day, return immediately. Finally, let's talk about grit. Grit means staying, even when progress feels slow. The middle part of learning is hard. It is boring. It is quiet. But if you stay, everything changes. Grit is quiet strength. So today, make one quiet promise, not to be perfect, not to study hard, just to continue. I will be here, with you, one day at a time, one sentence at a time. Thank you for listening. Welcome to your English year. Welcome to 2026. Welcome to EasySpeak English Podcast. And don't forget, tomorrow at 7 p.m., we'll be waiting for you. Bye for now.